This video is specific to reputation management and it continues on the series that we have been doing. This one pertains to sentiment analysis, really. So, when a client emails back that a job is complete, sometimes they will say that they're really happy with the job, and other times it may be a case they say the job was not done well. So, what happens here in this case is if the job is done well, the AI will read this, and we have a filter in place to push back to them a review response with a Google business page link. If the review is negative, it's actually going to come back for manager review. So that's the way we have this set up. So let's send off some test emails from two different accounts. One is a positive response, and one is a negative, just confirming that work is complete, and so on. And let's see how the AI will handle this. So as you can see with the setup that we have here, we have Gmail acting as the trigger. We've got the AI that's connected. And then we've got the router as well, which will either push it as a positive or a negative. And then what happens is you're going to get an email back that's sent out. So let's run this now. And we're going to keep an eye on the automation and see what the output looks like. And that's going to come back to both accounts. You can see negative and positive. Okay, so here's email 1 and email 2. Let's take a quick look at these. Okay, so this is the positive, right? So you can see, thanks for the incredibly kind words. It was truly a pleasure to work with you on this project. And we're thrilled that the final results exceeded expectations. And then you can see here that, we've got your Google business page review. So this is fully automated once it comes back, so no touching there. Then in terms of the negative review, what we can see is the sentiment comes back as negative. We can see that the client expressed dissatisfaction with the project. It also gives you a couple of tips that you can use when you reach out to the client, talk to them. So it's a really good starting point. And it holds back any review response because that could give you a negative review in the long run. So this is another automation. It's a bit further down the line in terms of review management. So this is what we do at Highridge. If you have an idea, please let me know.